I'm going to start with these laser cut wood letters, and I get these right from Hobby Lobby. And I have enough to say welcome to our. I'm going to take my black spray paint, and I'm just going to spray paint these letters. You can certainly paint them as well. I just find it easier to spray paint the smaller letters. I have these hexagon shape cutouts. They're wood, and I found them in Michael's in the jewelry section. I'm going to take my lightweight spackling. You can also use some wood putty, and I'm just going to cover up that really small hole as I will not be using it. And I'm just using my finger to fill in the hole, and I allow that to dry. I have an H, a V, and an E, and these letters came from Hobby Lobby as well. And I'm going to paint them using some Wise Owl goldenrod. I took my Krylon Shortcuts spray paint, and I spray painted the wood hexagons in this metallic gold color. And then I'm just going to set those aside to dry. I have this wood cut out. It is a bee, and I'm going to paint it using the Wise Owl black. This came in a pack of, I believe, 6. It was supposed to be a garland. I got it from Joann Fabrics. And I allowed the black to fully dry, and then I just took some metallic gold paint, and I'm just dry brushing the gold on top of the bee. And this is what we have so far. I got this board from Hobby Lobby. They have a lot of nice wood boards, and you can get them 40% off every other week without a coupon. And I'm going to put the welcome to our on the left side. Now, I like to use the blue painter's tape to help me just keep somewhat of a straight line. And I'm going to use some Elmer's wood glue to glue down my letters, and I just dab it on with a small paintbrush. And sometimes when I have the 3 words, I'm going to do the first and third word first, and then I'll put the second word in the middle. And I'm just using the tape measure to just help me kind of keep everything somewhat even. So then I'm going to glue the hour in place, and then I'm going to place the 2 in between the welcome and the hour. You can also stagger these words if you don't want to worry about it not being completely perfect. I then took the H, the V, and the E, and I put it on the right side, and I'm using the B as my eye. And again, I'm adhering the wood letters to the board with some Elmer's wood glue, and then I also add a little bit of hot glue for just an instant hold while the wood glue dries. So I'm going to do that on the H, V, and E, and then the B as well. Now I went back to the hexagon shapes, and I'm going to add them in little clusters. I'm going to start on the left side and place 5 of them. And then I have 3 that will go on the right side. And then when I cluster them together, they're going to kind of be like a honeycomb. And I'm just adhering those with the hot glue. And there we go. Now we have a welcome to our hive bee sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.